Gonna make a quick video, show you what was wrong with my 4th gen Ram heated seats. When I turned it on, it would turn off in about 3 seconds. No matter if I click the top one, bottom one, it would just turn off. So it was the bad pad in here. Rather than taking your seat apart and doing that, you lift this one up. And this one's attached back here. Take that up, I just tucked it there. And this is your wiring for the heated seat. So the black and red, that's a temperature sensor. And right now the button connectors didn't work for me, but when I hooked it up this way, it's working for me. This is a cheap pad off Amazon. I think I paid 20 bucks for it. Came with all this, but I was hoping not to use that. Hook it up to the OEM. So that's for the old burnt out one in the seat currently. And yellow is positive, which is the red one. Black is negative, which is the white one. And you'll be able to just squeeze it in there and show you just to verify everything works. Stays on, and the pad's getting warm.